Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi projects India as the land of biggest opportunities globally, promises reforms, stable policy regime and high growth. Prime Minister Modi emphasizes women's safety and judicial efficiency at the National Conference. The BJP has opposed the state government's move to defer the district council elections again. Nongpo MLA Meral Bond's aim oversees special rural works program projects. And Yeng Rasong Village organization celebrates the third anniversary with new facilities. Let's look at the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has projected India as the land of the biggest opportunities globally and promised the business sector facilitation, reforms, a stable policy regime and high growth. Addressing the Economic Times World Leaders Forum, Modi asked investors to commit to innovation, performance, positive disruption and high-quality products. He said his dispensation has begun its third term with more determined intentions and is full of hope and confidence. The Prime Minister said while people in most countries that went to polls this year voted for a change, Indians preferred a continuity, political stability and economic growth.
परफॉर्मेंस में देखा है, यहां तक कि भारत ने कई बार प्रिडिक्शन से भी और अपने पीयर से भी बेटर परफॉर्म किया है। जैसे पिछले 10 सालों में ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी 35% बढ़ी है, लेकिन इन्हीं 10 सालों में हमारी इकोनॉमी करीब करीब 90% बढ़ी है। ये वो सस्टेन ग्रोथ है जो हमने हासिल की है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted the urgent need to address atrocities against women and ensure child safety during his speech at the National Conference of District Judiciary in New Delhi. He called for more active enforcement of existing laws and quicker decision-making in such cases to enhance women's safety. Modi also praised the 75-year legacy of the Supreme Court, noting its role in strengthening India's democratic values and maturity.
साथियों, मैं देश और समाज के एक और ज्वलंत विषय को आपके समक्ष उठाना चाहता हूं। आज महिलाओं के खिलाफ अत्याचार, बच्चों की सुरक्षा समाज की एक गंभीर चिंता है। देश में महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के लिए कई कठोर कानून बने हैं। 2019 में सरकार ने फास्ट ट्रैक स्पेशल कोर्ट की स्थापना की योजना बनाई थी। इसके तहत अहम गवाहों के लिए डिपोजिशन सेंटर्स का प्रावधान है। इसमें भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॉनिटरिंग कमेटीज की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण हो सकती है। इस कमेटी में डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज, डीएम और एसपी भी शामिल होते हैं। क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम के विभिन्न पहलुओं के बीच समन्वय बनाने में उनकी भूमिका अहम होती है। हमें इन कमेटियों को और अधिक सक्रिय करने की जरूरत है।
Labour and Employment Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia said that the government is actively exploring various avenues to ensure gig and platform workers are covered under Social Security. The minister said this while chairing a review meeting in New Delhi today. Dr. Mandavia also emphasized that the government is working on a comprehensive strategy to provide them with the social security they deserve. A gig worker is someone who takes on short-term or project-based jobs rather than being employed by a single company. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar emphasized the critical importance of clean energy, stating it is the only viable solution to the world's survival and sustainability challenges. Addressing scientists, faculty and students at the CSIR Indian Institute of Petroleum in Dehradun, Dhankar underlined the urgency of addressing climate change, biodiversity loss and resource depletion through collective action. The BJP has condemned the state government's proposal to extend the terms of the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Councils by 6 months. Spokesperson M. Kharkrang argued that the delay is unnecessary as voters expect a change in representatives after the 2019 mandate. Kharkrang also dismissed Congress claims that the BJP is using the NPP to undermine the Congress in Meghalaya and confirmed the party's interest to contest in the upcoming by-elections for the Gambegre Assembly seat.
Responsible for it, and it will be quite foolish on our part that these three would have joined to another political party. If it had been tutored by BJP, then they should have joined the BJP itself. Why did they join the NPP? NPP and BJP are two separate political parties. So I really don't see any connection how BJP gets embroiled into all this. The mandate that the people have given earlier, 2019, was for 5 years. Now, probably many of the constituencies would want their representatives to be changed. So why not allow the people to, to exercise their franchise and extending like this? It's not a good sign.
Yesterday, Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsiam visited Kubet Nongbri and Umsao Nongbri to monitor the development projects funded by the Special Rural Work Programme, or the SRWP. In Kubet Nongbri, he issued a work order for 2 lakh rupees to construct fencing for the Presbyterian Church and 50,000 rupees for repairs to the Christian Endeavour Society. In Umsao Nongbri, CM approved a 5 lakh rupee budget for expanding the local auditorium. These projects are part of the Special Rural Works Programme, or the SRWP scheme for 2023 to 2024.
Kayeng kaba kentang gajung beli kayeng mana kat ni lah dephe layak cakwan kadi kajing Tristom jong kawai pukui kalong yang Kristan kajing nak senyang kajong pi kajing Tristom kajong pi kajing itali kajong pi kapau sena kapau syai kedar ya kajing itali kajong pi lengba dagi kam ki papau kat nung idap daging so kemen ka krau bani i ya kane ka mensim kajong pi ngampai perkat bak kat ni lah dep pingkam nang pat lembare yang bersedang nang longkum tu mentala longkum ni kalah kajing estate jong por bar kajing Tristom la bagi sutu ro longkat ha poi ka kasinot te komot ba kila dei ban long settle ni gini ki sound system dan dei nam ta kajing priang au yang nam ta kajing kurku pentang ya kajing mani try kat bala nang percang la da dei ka 100% balong kat bala na ka benta kajing don kam ngin percang ban pe ban kami nang ta kajing don kam ki jong pi.
On its 3rd anniversary, the Yeng Rasong Village Organisation Umrangksai unveiled a new workshed and office in collaboration with the National Rural Livelihood Mission Umrangksai. The inauguration was attended by Meral Bonsiam, MLA of Nongpo, and Balajed Rani, MDC of Nongpo. The 7 lakh rupee facility, built under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 100-day scheme, aims to boost the organization's operational capacity with a larger, more spacious environment.
Lebih kemudian pernah kendeng yang diharap nong kesorkar kadang yelek ban itu ban identify di gini berang hajang kesusu pahabagi nong turis kiwan kan long kejing mentoy yang gigi nong song kamdang ki bedong ki bukan kan long kejing mentoy nang tak kejung ikat manang bun ki balik ki bawan kinang dong hagalenti manang budin manang yekren manang priyo jing arab na inyo ke skim na kabenta ban sna ya kini ki kinjatukan ki market Ilebay market pagkakta ter ban hamper kentoy ya ki nok som sinong ki ju ba ki jungi.
The Sri Shillong Dadich Parishad held a successful blood donation camp at Rajasthan Vishram Bhavan yesterday in collaboration with the Regional Blood Centre Pasteur Institute. Many Parishad members participated by donating blood, contributing to the camp's overall success. President Draupadi Murmu congratulated Rubina Francis for winning bronze in the P2 Women's 10-meter air pistol SH1 event at the Paris Paralympics 2024, praising her achievement as a significant addition to India's shooting success. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also celebrated her victory, highlighting her exceptional focus and determination. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya lauded Rubina's journey, calling it an inspirational story of turning practice into glory. And now for a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature was 21 degrees Celsius with a minimum temperature at 17.1 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 95%, rising marginally to 98% in the evening. The forecast tells us moderate rainfall and thunder showers are very likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick recap of the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi projects India as the land of the biggest opportunities globally. Promises reforms, stable policy regime and high growth. Prime Minister Modi emphasizes women's safety and judicial efficiency at the National Conference. The BJP has opposed the state government's move to defer the district council elections again. Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsi Aim oversees special rural works program projects. And Ying Rasong Village Organization celebrates its 3rd anniversary with new facilities. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.